Hi, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to view the statistics of our Facebook page on our device. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. After you've logged into Facebook, you need to click on the three stripes or on your profile photo with three stripes in the upper right corner. Let's go to our profile. Then click on the three dots on the right. Here we have a button, Turn on Professional Mode. Click on it. Then click on Turn on and wait for the load. After that, we go back and we have a See Dashboard button next to Add Story. Click here. And we have all statistics of our Facebook page. You can click See More and see our statistics in detail. Who is watching what? Also here, we can see all the data about monetization, modernization, and so on. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.